The given question states that find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, which is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 0. Also find the distance of the plane obtained above from the origin, or find the distance of the point 2, 12, 5 from the point of intersection of the line r is equal to 2i minus 4j plus 2k cap plus lambda 3i plus 4j plus 2k cap, and the plane r dot I minus 2j plus k cap is equal to 0. So first let's check out the first question. The equation of the given planes are given as P1 is equal to x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0, and P2 is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of planes P1, P2 is P1 plus lambda P2. So we put the equation here, P1 and lambda P2, and by rearranging the variables we get 1 plus 2 lambda x plus 1 plus 3 lambda y plus 1 plus 4 lambda z plus minus 1 minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. This is our equation 1. It is also given that the plane represented by equation 1 is perpendicular to plane x minus y is equal to 0. So we use the formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. By applying this formula we get 1 plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. By further solving we get the value of lambda as minus 1 by 3, and we put the value of lambda as 1 by 3 in the equation 1. So we get 1 minus 2 by 3x plus 1 minus 1y and plus 1 minus 4 by 3z plus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. By solving this we get the equation as x minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Now for the second part of the second question, the general points on the line can be given as x is equal to 2 plus 3 lambda, y is equal to minus 4 plus 4 lambda, z is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. The equation of the plane is given as r dot I minus 2j plus k cap is equal to 0. The point of intersection of the line and the plane by substituting general point of the line in the equation of plane and finding the particular value of lambda. So we get 2 plus 3 lambda I cap minus 4 plus 4 lambda j cap plus 2 plus 2 lambda k cap dot I minus 2j plus k cap. By solving this we get 12 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to 4. The point of intersection is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4, 2 comma 2 multiplied by 4, that is 14 comma 12 comma 10. And to calculate the distance of this point from the given points 2 comma 12 comma 5, applying the distance formula, that is 14 minus 2 the whole square plus 12 minus 12 the whole square plus 10 minus 5 the whole square under root, we get under root 12 square plus 5 square, that is 13 as the answer.